Hi, I am Sumair Faisal and I started my Pearson BTEC journey at Extreme Commerce College in September 2021. What attracted me to BTEC qualification was how practical it is. I did not just want to learn theory, I wanted to work on some real projects and BTEC gave me that chance. I have been working in digital marketing for about 2 years now. My experience with BTEC has been rewarding. Right from the start, it wasn't just about studying textbooks, it was more hands-on with real projects and practical learning. The BTEC curriculum is different as it focuses on real-world skills. I wasn't just preparing for exams, I was learning things that I use every day in my job. The knowledge I gained during my BTEC has been really valuable. One of my proudest moments was successfully running the international campaign. That showed me just how far I have come since starting my BTEC journey.